And we got a $10 donation here to, still reeling from that work.
And the onion.
Yeah,
I was going to say the workout or the onion?
A little both. One
The onion
then
just
the
makes
other.
the breathing harder.
One then the other. Yeah, for $10, we'd like to say hello to Eggbert.
Hey, Eggbert.
All right.
Oh my
Eggbert
goodness!
is
Hello.
beautiful and
Eggbert.
round and Eggbert. Hello, Eggbert.
Hello,
and welcome
Eggbert.
to Desert Bus 2021.
Mm-hmm.
Cool, that was it.
Excellent. You are truly beautiful, Eggbert. Carry on.
Complete.
You are doing
Next bird.
Next bird. More birds.
More birds.
More birds.
We're all out of...
I don't know, Ian. You just want to
I'm
fire
all
up
out
some
of
Gumi?
birds. I'm so lost without you.
I mean, yeah, we could just really give people Gumi for a while.
What?
Gumi is my current bird obsession, and he is the one of the many companions of God. What's the man's name? Hideki something or other, who used to be the sound designer for the Resident Evil games,
Okay.
and he has found new fame in his red bird, which makes a whale, whale, whale sound. Let me see if I can.
Oh. Yeah, see if you can find that.
Yeah.
Someone in chat also reminded me that we have a silent auction for a bird
Yes.
coming up at 2 a.m. when our silent auctions take over. So if you are a fan of a particular bird from World of Warcraft, we're giving away a bird. Well,
All right.
auctioning off a bird.
Here's one, and then you can pick anything else from this list.
Oh wow, that's a lot of birds.
They're all very, very short, too.
Oh,
Usually about 12 seconds, 16 seconds.
nice.
Hideaki Utsumi, that's correct. Yes, good. Zyme got it in the chat there.
Yes, it is in fact Pepe. It is. I don't have the details in front of me though, so I believe it is a. It's like a green jelly looking one.
Bird giveaway, yes it is.
Yeah.
It is a bone-based bird. Well,
A bone-based bird.
bone-based bird.
Ah, yes.
Perfect.
The framing there is just wonderful.
That's it.
One more again.
Hit it again.
Okay, can we get that sound occasionally on a 1 hour loop?
Wait. Yeah.
It's like a full body laugh.
Wow, this just goes forever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I'm just
There are two other noises.
gonna let this go.
Okay, well, yeah, I want to hear the other two noises.
So we all need to get on the linguistic level of Gumi.
Yeah.
This one has a couple, yes.
Okay,
Oh, perfect. Moment
Yep.
compilation for a minute 35.
there we go. Hope you like this sound.
Yes.
If you like.
Yeah. It just makes this noise. Spitting Image 77 sounds like an old school NES boss laugh. Absolutely.
The music really makes it, Ben.
Oh yeah. Wonderful.
Okay, good. We've all met Gumi.
Yep. Thank you for this gift, Ian. Thank you.
And away, 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 away to you too.
Yep.
End transmission.